Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. Today I will discuss an important part of the financial system of Pakistan, the commercial bank. What is commercial bank? What is type? What is its role on? What is the impact of commercial bank of an economy? So here we first of all we discuss what is commercial bank. Commercial banks are the lifeblood of modern economics. They mobilize saving, provide credit to businesses and individuals, and help in the smooth functioning of trade and industry. In this lecture, we will cover the role of commercial banks, challenges they face, ways to overcome these challenges, a short evaluation of the sector, the history of nationalization and privatization of banks in Pakistan. Second, the role of commercial banks in Pakistan development. Commercial banks plays a crucial role in Pakistan economy through the following functions. Number 1, mobilization of saving. Banks collect saving from individuals, firms and institutions in the form of deposits, saving and current fixed. When they use these funds for productive investment. Number second is provision of credit. Banks provide loans and advance to agriculture, industry, trade and services, which increase employment and production. Number third is encouragement of investment. By providing business loans, overdraft and credit facilities, bank promote new ventures and entrepreneurship, facility of trade and commerce. Bank issues letters of credit, foreign exchange services and trade finance that help imports and exporters. Number 5 point is development of industry. Industry development depends largely on bank financing for machinery, working capital and infrastructure. Number 3 is agriculture and rural development. Banks provide agriculture loans especially through specialized branches and schemes to support farmers. Number 7 is promoting financial inclusion. Through microfinance, digital banking, the mobile apps, bank brings financial services to rural and low income populations. Number 8 point is supporting for government policies. Commercial banks helps the government in managing public debt, collecting revenues and implementing monetary policy. In short, commercial banks serve as a bridge between savers and investors, promoting growth, employment and stability in Pakistan economy. Challenges faced by commercial banks in Pakistan. Although banks plays an important role, they also face several challenges in Pakistan current environment. Number 1, high non-performing loans, NPLs. Many borrowers fail to repay loans on time, increasing financial risk for banks. Number second is political influence. In the past, political pressure has influenced loan decisions, causing insufficiency and corruption. Number third is cybersecurity threats. With digital banking and online transaction, cyber breaks and data breaches have become a growing concern. Inflation and interest rate, frequent changes in the interest rate affect bank profitability and lending behavior. Number 5 is lack of financial literacy. A large part of the population, especially in rural areas, still lacks understanding of banking services. Number 6 is competition are competitive from non-banking financial institute NF, NBFIs, insurance companies and microfinance institutions provide alternative financial products. Number 7 is foreign exchange instability. Fluctuating exchange rate increase uncertainty in the international trade and banking operations. Number 4 is ways to overcome challenges. To strengthen the commercial bank sector, the following measures are necessary. Number 1 is strengthening credit. Risk management banks should evaluate borrowers properly before lending and use data analytic for credit scoring. Number 2 is promoting digital security. Investment in cybersecurity system, the customers awareness program is essential. Number 3 is improving financial literacy. Conduct awareness companies to educate people about banking, saving and loans. Number 4 is ensuring professional reducing political interference, the ensure transaction banking operations. Number 5 is diversity system. Introduce new products such as Islamic banking, digital wallets and SME financing. Effective supervising by State Bank. The SBP must monitor commercial bank strictly to ensure compliance and financial discipline. Encouraging green and inclusion banking. Focus on financing renewable energy, women entrepreneur and rural development projects. Evaluation of the commercial bank sector. Let's evaluate how the banking system in Pakistan has evaluated. The sector has expanded rapidly since independence. Introduction of digital and Islamic banking has increased accessibility, profitability and assets. Quality have improved. Through loans, recovery remains a problem. A system have become more competitive and effective for privatization. Overall, the banking system is stronger and more reliant, but continuous reforms are needed to maintain stability. Nationalization of banks in Pakistan 1974. What is the background? In 1974, the government of Pakistan under Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto nationalized all commercial banks. Reasons for nationalization. Number 1, reduce connection of wealth in few hands. Number 2, ensure fair distribution of credit. Number 3 is to expand banking services to rural areas. Number 4 is bring banking under government control for planning and development. Result of nationalization: positive expansion of branches across the country and better access for poor and rural areas. And negative role: political interference, increase efficiently decrease and loan default rose due to lack of corruption. Are many problems. Privatization of banks 1990s onward. What is the background? In the earlier 1990s, the government started privatization banks under economic performance to improve efficiency. What is the objective? The objective is number 1, improve management and performance. Number second, reduce fiscal burden on the government. Number third, encourage competition and innovation. Number four, attractive government investment. What is the result of privatization? Banks become profitable and effective, improved services quality and technological advancement, better loan recovery and increase foreign investment in banking. Standard Chartered Bank, Bank of Alphala. However, some small banks struggle to compete and manage with larger ones. Current status of the banking sector. Today, Pakistan banking system include commercial banks, public and private, Islamic banks, microfinance bank, foreign banks, development financial institutions. The state bank continues to regulate and modernize the sector through digital banking and risk management frameworks. To sum up all the lecture, here we discuss at the end of this lecture, commercial banks are the backbone of Pakistan economy, mobilizing savings, finance, industries and sporting trade. Although they face challenges like loans, cyber risk and political influence, these can be overcome through strong supervision, digital innovation, financial education and professional management. The journey from nationalization 1974 to privatization 1990s has transformed Pakistan's banking system from a solo step up into a modern, competitive and technological driven sector. In short, a sound and innovation banking system is essential for the economic prosperity of Pakistan. Thank you so much students. Allah Hafiz.